This is the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Sunday, the 12th of November. I'm Michael Groff. Dry weather, above average temperatures, and periods of high clouds will dominate the weather picture over the next several days. And what that means for us is absolutely no rain. Our dry streak will continue. Today is day number 81 in a row without measurable rain at Sky Harbor. When might that change? Let's see if we can find some answers as we look out there. 85 degrees was the high in the valley yesterday after a morning low of 59. 1.9 inches behind where we should be for the year so far in our rainfall. And outside right now here at 5:15 a.m., we've got mostly clear skies in the valley. 61 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew points at 35, humidity 39%, the winds are light, and the barometer is steady. Temperatures out there this morning, 46 is the cool spot at Fort McDowell, 51 Maricopa and Buckeye, and mid-50s, upper 50s in many valley locations, low 60s at places like Sky Harbor. Here in Arcadia, where I do these weather videos from, it's currently 54. Here's the water vapor satellite view. Mainly zonal flow here across the southwest, with ridging slowly building northward out of Mexico. That'll be around here for the next couple of days, and temperatures will warm up as a result, which we'll talk about in a moment. On the watch warning map, no real high-impact events happening right now. Some dense fog and freezing fog advisories in parts of eastern Montana. A few scattered frost advisories across the country, but overall, the weather is pretty quiet right now. And we see that as well on the convective outlook, with much of the nation in stable air. No organized areas of severe weather expected anywhere. And rainfall around here, this is valid through next Sunday morning, and you know the story by now. Absolutely nothing expected. And we'll talk about our persistent weather in more detail now as we check the models and dissect our forecast. Here we go to the GFS. This is the 06Z run, valid at 5 o'clock Mountain Standard Time. Today, the upper look at 500 millibars. Ridging building north out of Mexico, troughing to our north and west. A west-southwest flow will continue. Periods of mid and high-level clouds down at the surface today. We'll call it partly sunny. Highs in the mid to upper 80s. Certainly temperatures at least 10 degrees above average in spots today. Tonight, partly cloudy, lows mid-50s to mid-60s. Tomorrow, this should be the warmest day of the period with partly sunny skies. Now, with a pretty good mix of mid and high-level clouds around, I don't think temperatures are going to get quite as warm as they otherwise would, but still, we're going to have highs 86 to 89 here in the valley. Then on Tuesday, we'll subtract a degree or two from the temperatures, highs 84 to 87. With partly sunny skies. Low to mid-80s on Wednesday, partly sunny continues. And Thursday, same thing, partly sunny, low to mid-80s. Friday, troughing passing to our north, and that's going to bump the ridge down just a bit further. Westerly flow continues, mostly sunny skies, highs in the upper 70s. Upper 70s to low 80s on Saturday, with another trough coming into the west coast and plenty of rain for central California on through the Pacific Northwest, and that means mountain snows as well for the Cascades. And a week from today, this is Sunday, the 19th of November, ridging building back across the southwest, and a warming trend would once again take place if this verifies. Highs low to mid-80s. Same thing as we go to Monday the 20th, and then this is the end of the 10-day forecast period, Tuesday the 21st of November. Ridging still around here and heights above average. That means highs will be above average, low to possibly middle 80s, with just a few high clouds moving across on occasion, but otherwise mostly sunny days and mostly clear nights. And let's go out just a little bit further beyond the end of the forecast period, out to Thanksgiving Day. This is Thursday, the 23rd. Now, this is 12 days out, so you got to take this with a grain of salt. But if this is right, ridging off the west coast, high temperatures around here would still be above average, upper 70s to low 80s. And look at that trough in the Great Lakes. Very cold conditions there, plenty of snow for places like northern Wisconsin, Michigan, and out into the in the northeast, ultimately by late Thursday into Black Friday, with a nice cold front sweeping into the deep south. Now, of course, again, 12 days out, so a lot can and likely will change between now and then, but this is just something to look at. The idea of temperatures above average around here does seem to be well supported as we check the numbers off of the GFS ensemble. High temperatures still above average. Even if we cool down to the upper 70s, we'd still be several degrees above where we should be for late November. And that's going to wrap it up for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video comes back here tomorrow morning. And if you like our videos, hey, be sure to subscribe to us so that every time we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. Otherwise, you guys have yourselves a great day. Be safe out there. And we'll see you back here tomorrow morning.